Welcome back to another opportunity to focus your hearts and minds towards the things that matter most, you and your teammates' quality of life. We can achieve this while working in hazardous environments by continually improving on the processes and the mindsets we have about safety. This week, as we're looking at another year in front of us, I want to encourage each of you to be doing something different than you did the year before. I want to ask you, we're 2 weeks into January. What do you have planned to better your safe work practices for 2018? Are you focused on the near misses and incidents that occurred in 2017? Because even if you didn't have any recordable cases, you likely had first aid incidents and you certainly had near miss incidents. So what are you doing about those? What kind of focus are you applying to these trouble areas? Good safety programs don't stay solid for long without some serious intention being poured into them. And those of you that struggled in your safety programs throughout 2017, injuries won't just disappear because you hope they will. Whether it's a structured routine safety committee, more safety training in the technical aspects of your job, getting the shop and field employees more engaged in how to address trouble spots that they deal with day in and day out, whatever it is, I'm challenging you to intentionally focus your efforts on the things that matter most, the safety and quality of life of you and your teammates. There's no more important task within your organization. So please, don't allow another day, another week, or another year to get away from you and your intentions to improve upon this area. Now is the time and today is the day to focus your efforts on this worthy task. For Summit Safety Group, I'm Jake Wolfenden, and I hope you're encouraged to know that great change can occur within your organization. And if not, I'm challenging you that it is possible, no matter the scenarios that you face. And with that, I'll see you next week.